What's up, guys? It's Oprelia here, and today we're going to be talking about how to make money with the new Elevenlabs update. And actually, 6 months ago, I did do a video about top 5 platforms where you can sell your AI generated music. So, in case you haven't seen that one out, I'm going to be linking that in the corner. Now, let's talk about the new Elevenlabs update where they released this new feature called the Music Marketplace. So, previously, Elevenlabs was very focused on text to speech and, voice dubbing and sound effects. It was like audio based. Now they have basically expanded into music. And you can actually prompt instrumental and non instrumental tracks in the platform right now. And basically, you can then publish them almost immediately, and those can be basically sold. Now, I have only tested out like couple of tracks over here in course of a week or so. So I have only published 8 songs, and I haven't really put any time into like doing really good prompts or creating like a masterful track which people will want to buy. I'm just basically testing out things. And I have made 2 sales so far, which is not too bad given out like your average performance on a stock, selling website. You're not expected to make money every single day. And I basically made 75 cents. So that is meaning that you get around 0.3075 cents per each track sold. I think there's different types of licenses, and some licenses might pay you a bit more better than the others. But in terms of like the cost of doing these tracks and the time it takes, it's extremely easy, guys. It's super easy. And I'm going to be showing you that actually right now. So we're going to be going back into the marketplace, and we can just like put in prompt here. I just took this from Suno. So pay in mind, this is not as good as Suno's voice tracks. And I think my advice would be to advise people to do instrumentals, because I feel like instrumentals are the ones that people are going to be buying. And then you can choose how many variants of that you want to have, and then automatically you can choose like the duration of that song. I'm going to go for 2 minutes. That's going to be costing less credits to do. Right now I have 68,000 credits, and this is going to be costing me 6,000 credits to basically create 2 variations, which both, if they're good, I can be releasing on the platform. Now, as I said, this is taking only matter of seconds. Right now, we already have the first basically song created here. Both of them are done. That's crazy fast. And, it's expected to be this fast. Now we can take a bit of a listen. So they are a bit more on the generic side, but for the sake of the argument, we are going to be releasing this one as it sounded better. And I want to say, it's not exactly what I would, consider high quality instrumental track. We just put up a random thing over here, and it's definitely not on the level of Sonato or Suno as of right now. But that doesn't mean that Elevenlabs will not create a more improved thing, later on. So I'm just going to be, roadside car chase rock track. Well, okay, rock instrument. Well, you don't really need to specify it's instrumental. I'm sure there are filters out there. And we can put some, labels here. I think we should probably add movies, soundtrack, road, chase, action scene. Okay, let's put that away. Action scene, and voila, let's publish. And that's how fast it is to release a track. And you have to play around with the prompts a bit more. You can obviously do ones that have, actual lyrics, but based on like once you actually play around with the platform a bit, you will realize like, yeah, the audio is not really that good on those songs. And I'm just believing, this is my belief, that yeah, this is going to be somewhere most of the clients are going to be which are going to be looking for instrumental tracks for their movies, short films, and stuff like that. I think that is the main clientele that we are looking for. And that is 20% royalty split. So guess they're paying $2 or something like that. But when you're also getting money when they are remixing your track as well. So that's a kind of important thing. When you do a really, really good song, somebody might remix it. So that might be pivotal, strength of the platform as well. And there's also the cost. So people are wondering, well, what exactly is going to be the cost here in terms of generating this stuff? So let's go into a bit of the subscriptions. So what is good about Elevenlabs is that you have the starter plan, which is 30,000 credits, and that is around, well, give and take, maybe 10 songs of 2 minutes length, depending on obviously how many variations you're going to be doing. Well, technically, if you're going to be doing one variation, that's going to be like 20 songs or something like that. So that is actually pretty good. Now, I'm currently on the creator plan because you also get paid by releasing your own sound voice into the platform. So I can go to my voices and then I'm going to be going into Ashkalad, which is my voice. And here I have released it. I released it back in 24th. And basically every time people are using my voice to generate text to speech, I get paid. Now, this is going to be costing $22 to basically release it because that's the subscription. Even if you cancel it afterwards, the song will, the sound, your voice is going to be staying there. And when you actually listen to my voice in this platform, it's not the one-to-one same. And that's actually fine with me because I don't want exactly my carbon copy of my voice to be copied. It's like a variation of it. Let's just like put it like that. And people are actually using it. And actually, yesterday there was 7,000. Those are character usage. You get paid around, I think it's 3 cents per thousand characters. So I got a decent pay cut, and I don't have like amazing voice, guys. I have a pretty normal voice, which is not super interesting or anything like that. And there might be, let's say you're a Polish or maybe you're a Chinese, and you can do the recording in Mandarin or something like that. There might be different markets. I released it in English, which is not my home language. I'm obviously Finnish, so Finnish, but I didn't want to do it Finnish recording because I felt like I'm just gonna go with Swedish. Sorry, I went with English, and I basically designated my audio as like English accent from Sweden. I could have also done English accent from Finland. So those specific accents from a specific language for English might be actually a bit more higher demand. But all things considered, it does pay you decently. And after, you're going to be getting earnings and those are going to be paid in Stripe. I think you need to have $25 before you're going to be getting a payout or something like that. This is coffee money, guys. You're not going to become a millionaire unless you're going to be getting really, really high quality tracks here. And you have to remember that Elevenlabs has 1 million users or more right now. So it's actually starting to become a pretty big marketplace. So having a professional voice cloned for a long term, I think I'm gonna be within the 12 months. I think I'm gonna recouping that investment on the platform with these songs and with my voice clone. That's not a great ROI, but obviously I have a lot of more extra credits here, so I can actually produce a lot more songs if I want to. And I'm probably going to. I'm going to be putting more time into it, learning it, and doing the nooks and hooks about it. But that's basically how it's done. It's very easy. For the professional voice clone, you actually need to create 30 minutes of audio, you talking. It's good to have a good microphone. That really helps. But obviously, a good microphone is going to be $80, $50 for your Blue Yetis and all that type of stuff. So, doing recording on some bad mic is probably not going to get you picked or used a lot. So I think that's at least one of my benefits. Even though I don't have a great voice, in my opinion, I still have good recording quality on the actual audio that I did for them. And it takes around a half a day to basically get you approved on the thing. And then you can just like, there's going to be game developers, there's going to be video voiceovers, advertising. A lot of people might be using my voice in the future. And this is really, really cool. So I get paid for it, and it's just passive income. And maybe there's going to be more users in the platform in the future, and I'm going to be getting more stuff going onwards. But obviously, if you're watching this video from 6 months from now, 7 months from now, you can ask for a progress like, well, Are you making more? Did you make more? And etc. But once again, it's only $5 to get started on the platform to start prompting songs. So it's not a really bad of an investment. And I've already recouped like, I don't know, 90 cents. So I made 75 cents. So I already made 1 and 5 back within a week. So that means that if that track is going to keep selling, or the new tracks that I'm going to be producing are going to be selling, I'm going to be making my money probably in 2 months or something like that. So actually, not too bad. But thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more content in the channel. I also have opened a prompt channel on Telegram where we'll be posting pro prompts for Seedance, Grok, and other types of video platforms, how to create amazing videos. So please join that also in case you're interested in becoming pro at prompting. Thanks for watching. I will be seeing you guys in the next video when that will be dropping out. Cheers.